Okay, guys, I'm set up to play my first round live. Backwood chip and putt for the older guys league here. And I'm gonna go play it and see what I can do, and do the best I can do. So let's go. Ready? I'm ready. It's auto putt, and all the holes are fairly short. The longest one's the last one. So yeah, let's go. 54, 55, something like that. 55. Okay, let's go. Ah, long. Okay, start off with a par. Let's see what we get. 68. Okay, we'll go up one on this. 68. Uh-oh. Whoa. That ain't good. That is not good, dude. I'm going to put myself in a bad place. 27 coming up the hill out of there. Darn. Mm. Well, going to be a boogie. And it could have been a lot worse. Could have been a lot worse, dudes. Got a 40. Okay. Woo. Relax. 40. Okay. Mm. Rolled right through it. 65. Okay, I get on all the way across. Here, let's do this. Make sure we get over. I don't hit that water. Go ball. All right. Thank you. About time I get one back. It's going to be a little short, dude. A little short, dude, here. Okay. 22, dudes. Ah, cannot believe I done that. Got to drop a ball, yeah. Ah, yeah, that's bad. This one I think I'm going to do okay, huh? 47. Yeah. Okay, I almost got it. 48. Ah, 63. Down 5. Okay. We'll use this, but I might have to get it hard. Get on it. Go, baby. Get up. Yes. 50. This is the one under the tree. Okay. Under the tree. Go. Ah. Yeah, baby. 51. Nope. Shorted it. 74. 74 up 4, dudes. Okay. Yes. Another 74. Okay. Oh, no. How did I hit that far? Okay, 16. I'm going to go for right there uh, on that side of the flag. Uh-oh. Man, that thing hung up in the fringe. That hurt. 62. Okay. Nope. 45. 45. Okay. Oh, no. Cannot believe that I shorted that. Got to be in the circle, dude. 8. I'll take that. 56. Get. Nope. Gonna be a par. $51. What did I do? 13. See, 2 down, 3. Okay, that'll be a pitch lob ways. 62 down, 9. Okay. Get. I'll be darned. I'm fighting to win on these last hole, buddy. 8. I'll take it. I will take that all day long, guys. Here's that long one to finish off with. Okay, 94. 94, 94. Okay. Down 12. Okay. You gotta be kidding me. Even par. I knew it was the wrong club and I still hit it. Okay, that's my first official round that'll be in the books. So let's go see if it registered and how it came out and go from there. Play another one maybe. Let's see. Let's see how it all came out. Said returning the main menu. Okay, that round's gone, so I can't do it again. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. Okay, so got the first round in, shot even par. It could have been a lot better. I mean, I was on the verge of greatness. Yeah, bullshit. Anyway, you guys, y'all be good. You tried to see the first one. I already recorded it for you. So scores on the book. Let's see if it come up. Hey, I'm on there. Got my score. I'm on the board. Okay, guys, that was my first official SGT round in the leagues. And yeah, shot even par. I had a handful of birdies and handful of bogeys and one bogey, double. And had some, just barely out of the circle. It would have been birdies. I'd have probably had more, but yeah, we'll get there next time. I was a little nervous. First time around, first time there. So yeah, but it was okay. It done good. So now Monday at 7:30, join me on the YouTube channel, and we're gonna play, yep, par 3 live with Spike. So y'all just come on by and we'll play. And I'm gonna be playing this week Concrete Jungle. So let's get it done and see how it works. And I don't know if I'll shoot even par or not, but I'll do my best. So hey, y'all take care of yourselves. Be good. I'll see you on the next one. Okay. If you need anything, well, the machines are running. I'm making it hard as I can go. We'll see you next time. Hey, gotta go. Hey, I got pretty lucky.